All right, so when we say that Git is a version control system, what do we mean? So we say that Git is a version control system. Um, it means you can think of it as a time machine for your code, or whatever changes you have made through a file or a set of files, right? So you can go back in changes, right? So okay, let me draw some diagrams so that it will help you to understand. So suppose you have this file, all right, and this already has some changes inside it, and now you have made some more changes in the same file. Okay, you have added few more lines, and then again after some time you have again made some more changes. All right, so what happens in each case, you're adding something over the period of time. Okay, and now you want to keep track of it, like so suppose you have made all these changes. Now you can call these changes as version 1, version 2, and version 3. All right, now suppose this is the latest version where you are right now, but there is some issue with this one. Okay, and you want to go back to this version. All right, so it's easy with the Git because it maintains all these versions. Okay, now you'll say, okay, how does it maintain and how I can see those versions? So for example, I can show you. Let me quickly open GitHub and open any repositories. For example, let's search WebEx. So yeah, there is this repository WebEx JS SDK. Now you can see here there is this commits, 9,376 commits. So if you'll go here, you will see different messages with this commit hash. All right, so this this commits keeps the version of the code at that moment. Website, and from here you can install it based on your operating system. For example, if you're on Mac OS, you can simply go and install it through the brew, or you can also download it directly, okay, and install it. If you're on Windows, you can again directly download and install it, or other option is through the command line. You can uh, use the PowerShell and run this command to install it. Similarly, for the Linux, there are a bunch of commands for different flavors of Linux, so you can also install Git using these commands. It's pretty simple. Yeah, just follow these steps and Git will be installed. Once the Git is installed, in order to verify whether the Git is installed or not, you can simply open the terminal. So if you want to check whether the Git was installed or not, you can simply go to the terminal or command line. If you're on Windows, you can type Git and you will see something like this. Okay, it won't throw any error, so it will simply show something messages like how to use the Git, and you can check the Git version like this, and it will tell you what version of Git you have installed. So if this is working fine, then you have successfully installed the Git. Now we can start learning the Git commands and the concepts along with.